Hey there! Today, we're diving into one of nature's more unsettling behaviors: animals eating their own babies. I know, it sounds crazy, but it happens more often than you might think. So, why do they do it? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about why an animal might eat its own offspring. It seems pretty harsh, right? But in nature, survival is everything. For some species, eating their young can actually be a way to protect themselves or ensure the survival of the strongest offspring. In some cases, if the baby is sick, weak, or deformed, the mother might eat it to prevent predators from getting an easy meal. It's a survival strategy. In other cases, the mother might not have enough resources to care for all of her babies. Eating a few might actually help her survive and focus on the healthiest ones. Now, let's take a look at some of the animals that actually eat their own babies. First up, hamsters. These small rodents are notorious for eating their babies. It can happen if they're stressed, if they feel threatened, or sometimes even if there's not enough food around. The mother will often eat the weaker or sickly pups, which is her way of focusing on the strongest ones. Next, lions. In the wild, when a new male takes over a pride, he might kill and sometimes eat the cubs of the previous leader. This is a brutal strategy to bring the females back into estrus so he can father his own offspring. It's all about ensuring his genes are passed on. Cheetahs are another example. Sometimes a mother will eat one of her cubs if she's struggling to care for them all. This may be done to conserve energy and resources for the remaining healthier cubs. Crocodiles, though terrifying, are known to eat their own young, especially when food is scarce. They might even cannibalize their own babies in the wild to avoid competition for resources. But it's not always about hunger. Sometimes, mothers instinctively protect their territories by eliminating the competition in the form of their own offspring. Even some birds, like the black-headed gull, will eat their own eggs or chicks if they're weak, sick, or under threat. It's often a last resort decision to ensure that the remaining chicks have a better chance at survival. While these behaviors might seem shocking, they are part of the harsh reality of the animal kingdom. Survival often means making tough choices. But not all animals do this, and it's important to remember that this is a strategy to ensure the survival of the species. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more video.